Okay, so we're going to see how you will link Shopify to your PayHero account here. So assuming you have your Shopify store and you want to link it to PayHero to receive payments to your linked payment channels. So let's say you have your Paybill, your till number, or your bank account, okay, and payment channels, or even your payment wallet, okay, that is already existing on PayHero platform. As you can see, I have several channels linked, including my bank account, Paybills, and also my wallet account here. So I can be able to link any of these channels to get paid directly on my Shopify store, so that customers can be redirected to my Lipo link to get paid. Okay, so I'm going to show you a step-by-step illustration of how you can link that Shopify store to your PayHero account. So the first thing you need to do is you log in into PayHero into your account. So assuming you already have an account that is verified and is active, you need just to start using it. So you go to this Shopify menu here. So you go to all shops. You can go to all shops if you already have shops. But if you don't have a shop, you can just come here and click add shop. Okay. So there are a few things that are required. So you can just add shop URL, access token, and description. Description just for your own reference. Then you can add the payment channel that you want to be used for that particular shop. Okay. So I'll just show you how to get all these details from Shopify to here. So the first thing is the shop URL here. So you can see the example has been given here. So the shop URL is the one that ends with myshopify.com. So if you go to Shopify settings, you'll see it right here. Okay, so you just copy that, come here, and then just add this HTTPS to it like that, and you're good to go. For access token, that requires a bit of extra step, which we have outlined here how to do it. You go to your admin panel, settings, apps and sales channels, develop apps, create a new app, and that API integration, admin API integration, configure the scopes, assign all scopes for orders and payments, which we will see how to do. Then install the app, then you copy the access token and put it here. So let's go ahead and create that. Okay, so you come here to apps and sales channels, then develop apps. So you can see we don't have an app right now, so we're going to create an app. This is the app that will be used now to be updating orders if payments are made. So that's why we need the access token to be saved on this side, so that it can be used to check for order status and also update order payments. Okay, so create an app, you can give it a name, so you can just name it PayHero. Then you can select the developer, which is typically usually the admin. So the admin is creating the app. Okay, so you'll find the app is already created right here. Okay, then you come here and say configure admin API scopes. Yeah, you configure. So we are only interested in the payments and orders scopes. Okay, so just come here and look at these scopes here. So you can do order editing. Okay, and also you can write orders. Payment terms. If it has payment and orders, you need to check it. Or if you're not sure, you can just give access to all the scopes if you're not sure. Okay, but just go through because there are quite a number here. Okay, so I think that's it, because it can write orders, read orders, can edit. Okay, yeah, so basically this is it on payment. Yeah, let's see if there's any other left. I think think those are enough for this case. Then you can just save. Okay. So once that's saved, then you can just come to API credentials here. Okay. Then install the app. Okay. You need to install the app first. Okay. Install it. Okay. Once the app is installed, now you can now see the token, which is only visible once. Okay. So once you reveal the token here, you copy it, come and paste it here. So that token is just visible once. So you can give a description for your shop here. So mine, I'll just set that one to that. Then I can set to my channel NCBA bank right there. That's it. So you just add the shop. Okay. So now you will find the shop is now added successfully, which is this, and as that shop code. This is on our side for to refer to the shop. Then the description there. Okay. So if you view the shop, if you click view here, okay, it will open up this interface here where you can see the payment button URL. So this payment button URL will take it and add it to our Shopify checkout, so that when users click on it, they can just input their order confirmation number, then proceed to pay. Okay. So to do that, we need to come to payments first. We'll need to create a manual payment method here. So come here, create. So I already created, but I can just create my own manual payment method here. So we can just give it a name. Okay. So we can just say complete order to view payment instructions. So that's it for now. Then you can activate it. Okay, so this payment method will be visible now when users are checking out from the store. So then there is one more step now. We need to install an app. Okay, this app is an app that will give us a button to insert this link to be clickable now. So a user can click on it. Just come here and say Shopify App Store. Then you look for this app called Shopify Checkout Blocks, or we can just search it there, Checkout Blocks. Okay, you'll find it here. This one that has a green and a yellow box. Install it. Install it. That's it. So we have installed the checkout blocks. So once you have opened the app here, you can click on it. You can see I had already created a block already, but if you don't have a block already created, you can just create it here. If you click on this one that I had already created before, so you just give the block a title. So the section title. So the section title of the button that we want will be called MPESA payment. Okay. Then we have content items of the block. So I'll add a button and a text area. So you can add custom content using this. So you just add a button, then text, later on. So for the button, click edit. You'll now see I have my URL. So which I'll copy this latest URL here, this one, payment button URL, copy this, then replace this one here. Okay. So then the button label, I'll call it Lipa na MPESA. So you can choose whether it's a button type is primary, secondary, or link. but I'll leave it to secondary here. Then the icon for the button, you can choose any of these icons here. So for me, I've chosen phone because it's mobile money. You can choose to have it full width or just that. Then done. Okay, for text here, you can add text area now. This will now give instructions to the user what to do. Okay, so the user will just typically just copy the order confirmation number that starts with the hashtag. On the thank you page, they'll just see the confirmation number at the top. They copy that, then they click on this button that is there to proceed to payment. Okay, so on that page, they just input that confirmation number to get verified, then they'll just go to the payment page. That's all. Okay, so this text here just to give instructions to the user, okay, what they're supposed to do. So that's it, then done. Okay, so you can save changes right here. Okay, so then for it to appear on the thank you page, you can add to editor. Click add to editor here. So the block settings should be 0 here so that it's visible to everybody. So you can open the editor. Okay, so we are already in the thank you page. So we click on dynamic content. Thank you. Okay, so 0. So once you have it set like that, so you can see now the text that we set there, that we set here. Okay, this text now is visible here. This is just displaying what the customer will see. The confirmation number is usually this. Okay, this is what the customer needs to copy. Then click on this open MPESA button here. Okay, so that's the whole point of what you're trying to set up, just to get this button here. User copies this and clicks the button. Okay, so since it's working, you set the option to 0 there. Then you just save it. Okay, once you've saved it, now the button should be visible on our shop. So let's go to shop. So we have a test product. Let's buy it. Okay, so you can see the payment method is here that we created. So the instructions we wrote there. Complete order to view payment instructions. That's it. Okay, so just put these details right there, then complete the order. Okay, you can see now the confirmation number is here. Then the Open MPESA button is right there, and the instructions. Copy, then click that button. So we can copy this confirmation number, then click on this button here. Okay, so that's all they need to do. Then just come and paste it there. Okay, then make payment. So as you'll see, you'll be redirected to the payment page to make the payment. So you just input your number. The amount is pre-filled. The reference is pre-filled. They can't change this. Okay, or they shouldn't change it. So it's non-editable. You can only edit the M-Pesa phone number and the name. You make payment. So you'll get a prompt on your phone to enter the PIN, the M-Pesa PIN. That's it. So once the payment is confirmed to be successful, the user will just be redirected successfully to back to the shop with the order details. So you see, you're automatically redirected back to this order details page. Okay, you can see your order number there and all these other things shown here. Okay, We'll just want now to confirm if the order has been received, so we can refresh this. Okay, now we can see there's an order here. Okay, this order now is paid, and you can see the description is there, the amount paid. Okay, so you can see under this shop. So if you go to shops, then you view your shop, and be able to see the order that has been made under your shop. And also, as the shop owner here, under orders, you can be able to see your orders. Like you can see this one here. It provides the description of the payment, okay, and the MPESA reference code here. It's updated automatically, okay, and you can see the order is paid and fulfilled. So if you need to fulfill this item, you can do it now on your end, but the payment status is updated to paid. Okay, you see the order was made at 10:12. Right now it's 10:15. So that's the order that we are dealing with. Okay, so it's automatically updated now because we set up the app track everything from the hero side. So that's the quickest way you can integrate your Shopify to Pay Hero in a few steps, like four or five steps. Okay, so you can see the payment details here, and you can see the customer details there. You can track all your orders here that are paid. They have a note here. We add a note to it to show you the M-Pesa message, the M-Pesa code, and the amount that was paid. Okay, yeah. So that's basically it. How to link your Shopify Pay Hero. If you have any questions, you can just reach out to us, yeah, or here or from the website, and we'll assist you to set it up. Thank you very much.